In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change AutoCAD language. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. What you have to do to change your AutoCAD language is, instead of viewing this process inside of AutoCAD itself, you need to start this process on the AutoCAD website. So through a web browser, go to Autodesk.com, make sure you are signed into your account where you have access to AutoCAD as a product. And in here, what you have to do is browse through all products and services. What this will allow you to do is to go over and select additional products for AutoCAD. So you will find it under your account page if it is properly attributed to the account that you signed into. And what you have to do is click View Details. Inside of View Details, you can browse through all of the versions of AutoCAD over here. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to assume that you are running the latest version, so 2024. And you will find the option to download languages at the bottom. Yes, you have to download these language packs from the Autodesk account management page. Alternatively, if you have older versions of AutoCAD, you will have to go to a specific website. You will see that they are not available here. So look for AutoCAD and then the corresponding version language packs on Google, and you will find them at another page on the Autodesk website. But since I am doing this video for the latest version of Autodesk, this is what I'm going to highlight here. So go into the latest version and then languages. Now you can browse through all of the language packs that they have to offer. I'm going to download the Spanish one just as a demonstration for this video. The download is going to start automatically, and all that you have to do is launch this file in order to install it properly. So I'm just going to give it some time to download, and like I said, you can download multiple ones and you will always be able to revert back at any time. So when it is done downloading, run the exe file that you just acquired and it is going to get extracted. You will get the option to install it on your computer. Just gonna let it run here, but from this point onward, the process is super straightforward. As long as you follow the instructions on screen, you will be good to go, and you might get this warning tell you that AutoCAD is running, which is my case here. So I'm just gonna close it down, remember to do that, and then try again. Once the process is closed, it is going to go through and get installing. I'm gonna show you again once this process is done. You will get this notification that the installation is complete. As you can see, it's already in Spanish, the installer itself. All that you have to do now is go ahead and launch AutoCAD once again. You will then see the option to launch AutoCAD in the respective language packs that you have downloaded on your computer. So I can either run AutoCAD 2024 in English or in Spanish, which I'm going to do to demonstrate this process on this video. Everything is going to work as usual. You can sign in to your default account, and once you are inside of AutoCAD according to the language pack that you decided to run, everything, all the menus, all the tools will be adjusted accordingly. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Autodesk language. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.